Salut les gars, moi c'est Olivier Bulting et lui c'est Chris Bowden.
Bonjour.
Bienvenue au Geek Group et aujourd'hui on démonte cette machine pour vous montrer comment ça marche.
Hi there guys, I'm Chris Bowden and welcome to the Geek Group. I'm here today with Olivier, who came all the way from Belgium to join us for a few weeks and is instead staying for a month. And, and you wanted to be in a video. So we have this video that we've been wanting to shoot because we want to recommission parts from this to be the new gap for Thumper.
Okay.
This is a big welding head that came out of an automotive factory, and it's just cool. It's got like all kinds of neat stuff, and I wanted to take it apart and see what we can make use of out of it. Yeah. So this is your chance to be in your first video. You've been to several captain's blogs, but now you're in like an official video.
Okay,
it's
cool.
a thing. So you've been here for a couple weeks now. What do you think of the Geek Group?
Awesome. Just the opportunities that people get here, like those machines that no one ever sees in real life other than here, it's awesome. It's really,
that's what we're here for.
It's cool, yeah.
Now, you're going to hear some weird noises in the background of this video because we're actually in the main demonstration hall at the Geek Group. We're at the Leonard Street Labs. You can hear the air compressor behind us, which I'm sure will be kicking on and off throughout the shoot. Moose is back there working on the big SR100 sheet router, so you might hear that come on and off. But we're in a real shop environment. We're not tucked away in a studio. This is the real workshop, and we built a set right in the middle of the shop so that we can be out here and work on big stuff like this, because this weighs like 500 pounds, and there's no way we're going to haul it off to the set. So this is why we're here. Now with that, I guess we should start taking some stuff apart on here.
Yeah.
Where do you want to start? Thinking control module here should get out of the way, because we got, there's a lot down here. There's a lot of little wires and cables and stuff.
Oh yeah.
So start breaking these apart up on top, cut the zip ties, and I can tackle cables and connections, and you can see if you can find we need that Allen wrench. So see if you can find that, and I'll start working on these really cool little air fittings.
Okay. Of these should fit.
Yeah, in theory. I love these really nice air fittings. Look at these. They're, wow. Somebody spent some money. Okay, got it. You got it? Mm-hmm. All right, pop those off. I'm going to keep the male and females of these fittings together because I have a feeling we're going to want to use them again.
That doesn't want to come apart.
You can do
that easily.
Do it!
Yeah, I can do it.
Like a boss!
Hell yeah.
This is neat. We've had this thing for years, and I originally wanted to do something with it, and Jeff, Gerber Ninja. But we didn't have the power supplies for it, so.
Yeah, I guess that thing needs a serious power supply.
I'm guessing so. It looks kind of beefy. I can't get that off, so I'm just going to leave it on there. I'll put it on here. I'm going to take the whole thing off with a wrench and just be cool with it. Did you ever find the really big wrench?
No.
The big crescent wrench? See, and if Batman was here, we'd have that.
Yeah.
Why can't you be like Batman?
So yeah, Batman.
I don't know who built this, but they spent a lot of money to do it.
Gunther did it.
Gunther?
Yeah.
Gunther Rabenschlaben?
Yeah. The same guy that built the cooker robot.
Yeah,
the blue
Gunther.
one.
It still freaks me out when people do that. They mention some obscure thing from a video that we shot like 3 years ago, and it's like, wow, people actually watch these. That's pretty cool. I'm even getting things like video responses. Like on my captain's blog, there was a dude that made the video response, a Kevin guy. It freaks me out. I'm like, wow, who is this guy? I've never met this person. I have no idea who he is, but he watches all my videos. How cool is that? I never dreamed we'd reach so many people.
Yeah.
And it's really cool. Okay, there's that one. Oh, they make these so nice and easy to get your fingers on. So easy to work.
Just fits. Whoop, and
I think their idea was it's so beautiful and it's so well built that nobody will ever have to work on this or fix it. That's the plan.
That's quality. goes. And what's cool about this place too?
What?
We've been taught about these, like we've seen them in classes,
Yeah.
in automation and stuff like that, but we didn't have one. Now I have one right here.
And you can play with it
Yeah.
and learn about it. Yeah, it's a lot different seeing things in real life than just in a book.
Yeah.
Oh! Damn! Look at that. 14mm.
Metric.
I'm okay with that. I like metric.
Yeah.
It's easier. They got to make things simple for you Belgian guys. All right. I might have to Gerber this one if I can.
Come on.
No, that's not gonna happen. Okay. If I had that big crescent wrench, I'd be set. Have you got that off there yet?
Almost.
Screwing around. Why you gotta be like that?
I'm smooth and easy.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, I'm gonna go with your smooth and easy. In fact, when they put your name in the video and it says Olivier, okay, not only is it gonna have rock dots, it's gonna say Olivier, smooth and easy.
God, what have I done?
We'll even get the rock star shot, the hair blowing. We can do that. They're a little rusty. There we go. Oh, hey, look at that.
Dong.
Now, look, there's an air. I see a fitting here and a fitting there. That's got to be maybe pilot air or something.
Air
I don't know.
from or to.
Oh, we'll have to figure that out.
Yeah.
I think this goes right through
Uh-huh.
into the cylinder.
Yeah.
And this is probably channeled internally up and back or something like that. If they did that, I'm going to be pretty impressed because that couldn't be easy to machine. I want you to take and see. Take these apart, the flex connectors here.
Okay.
We got to get those off and we got to get these off. And watch out because I'm taking this out of its frame. But I'm thinking if we get the flex connectors off, this piece is going to come out as one unit.
This is a 14 too, so if you want to be easy.
I'm fine. You're the one that's free and easy. Or smooth and easy,
okay.
was it?
Yeah. I'll go look for a wrench that fits
Okay,
it.
you go look for a wrench. Ah! All right, so you're working on those. I'm going to take off these up here with my woefully inadequate Allen wrench. It's like 3 sizes smaller than I need it, but I'm going to use the open end wrench trick. Watch. You put that on there like that.
Is it on the screen?
Yeah, you can zoom in on this. So you put that in there and then put an open end wrench on it, and you got to straighten it. And you can bump that right out, just like that.
Oh.
Ta-da! It's kind of unstable, but for breaking them free, it's a really good system.
Okay, so this comes loose.
Hey, there's one. All right,
Yeah.
now do the other side. Do that in there. Quality of manufacture on this thing is really nice.
Yeah.
Somebody put love into it.
Okay. There's one.
There's one? All right. I'm in your way to do the other one.
These are nice.
that's going to be the new thumper strap. It's going to be worlds better than the crappy old one we've had in there for years. The thumper gap was a prototype that just never got really developed beyond that.
And this is going to serve to make a real one.
That's going to be a major part. That's going to be the flex connection for the next one, because that'll take the amperage.
Okay.
We tried it with Lietzen's thread originally, but we had, oh, you're going to play how getting that off. Good luck. I'm just going to let you suffer on that.
Well, thanks.
The Lietzen strand was suffering from magnetic forces on discharge, and it took all, because Lietzen strand's all woven, it was turning them into little knots. It's really cool. We've got a piece of it that survived, but that block there is copper.
That's all copper?
It's all copper. That whole block is solid piece of copper.
This? All copper?
That's all copper. Look at it. You can see. That's, yeah. Thumper's going to have a very, very pretty gap. We'll polish it all up, hit it with a clear coat. All right. Can you get that off? Actually, hang on. It might be best just to leave that right on there.
Yeah.
Because that'll be the termination block. All right.
Okay, just
yeah,
do
take that one off. Screw these back in. You going the wrong way?
No.
I just wanted to mess with you. Hey!
Sorry.
Damn it.
Yeah, well,
That's right. Drop 10 pounds of copper on my right nut there, because that's not going to hurt at all. I'm delicate. Okay. I am a sensitive man. Oh, hang on. Here's your awesome, cool warning sticker of the day. It actually says, open this tightly sealed container by breaking in half with both thumbs as illustrated. And now you know.
okay.
You gonna put that back? I'd put that back. Put that
Back
in?
in?
Yeah, take
Okay.
it down. That way we don't lose it. See, with a lot of autopsies, we don't have any idea what's going to happen to the parts afterwards. With this one, we've got a pretty good idea that, we know that's going to be used for thumper. Because we've got this really cool gap here, and I can put a set of big electrodes on it and set, I don't know, because this is designed to work at like 6 volts or some really, it's crazy high amp, so it's really low voltage. So we got to figure out how to insulate everything and all that to handle the 2000 volts of thumper. But if we can, this could be a really cool looking gap, because this is designed, it's a pneumatic ram there. This comes up and touches here. So we can build a set of electrodes and just, and that's how thumper fires.
Okay.
It'd be really cool.
So you don't want to take it fully apart?
We don't want to take it fully apart. We want to get the primary components off.
Okay.
And we know that there's some parts we're definitely going to use and a lot of parts we're not going to use. Like, we know we're not going to use the frame, that thing. We have no need for that. So we're going to take that out, and this is the low voltage power supply here. So we'll dig into it and see what we can see.
With thumper, you probably have the problem of arcing at 2000 volt.
Well, with thumper, the problem is they've got to be, it's only 2000 volts, which people think is really high, but 2000 volts won't jump a very big air gap.
Yeah.
And they've got to be really close together to initiate the arc, but you can't let them touch with our current gap, because with our current gap, if they touch, they weld themselves together instantly. So something like this, we can design this where it can, we can adjust the stop point really well, a lot better than we can with our RAM. And it's just, I like this better. It's pretty, it's nice. Yeah. I'm very big on, first we make it work under the basic engineering concepts of like form follows function, And a lot of people leave it there. Most engineers and people of that genre just make it work and they don't worry about making it pretty. And I like to take it, especially with our flagship stuff, and I like engineering as art. I like that you can, like this could be shaped 10,000 different ways. Yeah. But if you're gonna build it, why not build it pretty? That's how I see it. Yeah. And I'm very heavily supportive of engineering as art, which is why the Leonard Street Labs, for the 2012 Art Prize, we've got 2 different people here doing stuff for Art Prize, and they're using our equipment to build large Art Prize installations. The
Cool.
Invisible Giant and the Map of the World are both being made here. Oh!
Yeah.
Okay, so you gotta take out those 2 blue, and I'll do this one back here. And that should take... We need that really big crescent wrench, and I don't know where it is. I'm gonna go hunting
no
and see
idea
if I can
what it
find it. Okay, I'll be back. I found a big crescent wrench.
Okay.
It's not the one I wanted.
That should do it. One moment.
I'll be right back. I need to get some help from Newton. Oh yeah, I got this. Give me a lever big enough, and I will move the nut. Ah! Ha ha ha!
That's how it's
Like
done.
a boss! The one part on this that wasn't made of aluminum, and it's rusted.
Figure.
We got it. I love how quiet the new compressor is.
Oh God.
It's so nice.
It's lovely.
Oh, the bottom one's going to be a little trickier. Big steel pipe.
Big.
Yeah. Went on there before. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, it's on there pretty good.
Huh. Want me to sit on it?
Yeah, just stand or something. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ah, thank you.
There it goes.
Your morbid obesity has helped greatly. Okay, now I'm taking off the blue nuts here that go into these. I think these are pneumatic rams here. They might be indicated. I don't know. They got air fittings in the bottom, which says cylinder. You know.
That might give it away.
Well, but this is obviously an air cylinder here, so I don't know what the hell this is.
That's the main cylinder, but
Why would you have 3 though?
yeah, that's a good question.
See, it gets interesting as we dig into it.
That's why we take it apart.
Yes, that's why we take
to
it
know.
apart. Okay, that's out. Are you still doing those? Really? Still?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
there's one back here.
Okay.
Gotta do that one.
I love you too.
You know what else really helps on these?
Say what?
Turning them the right way. Okay. This thing should be totally free at this point. This big box. Give me the crowbar. It's behind you on the floor.
Yep. It's leaning on one of the. Oh, okay, no, sorry.
But is a bolt in there?
There's a bolt here.
Okay, watch out. I'm gonna pick it up.
That's gone.
Did you get out?
Yeah.
You came all the way out?
Yep. I have it in my hand.
Oh yeah, it moves. It's very heavy. All right, we have to figure out how to pull
No,
it
how
out.
to not drop it.
Yeah, because I got a feeling this is the majority of the weight of this unit.
Probably.
Let's see if we can wiggle it out a bit, and we might be able to lift it. I don't know.
Maybe, maybe not.
Push. Oh wow, that's heavy.
And it's well in place.
It is pretty securely in there. Now be careful because those are terminals. Here. Come up. Grab just that edge. Right there.
Oh, that did it.
Okay. Problem is that's about all the farther we can move it that way.
It's looser now.
It's a lot looser now. Oh wow. All right, come here and grab the other side. Set it right on the table.
Go.
Yeah, it's got a bit of weight to it. On the table.
Yeah, wait.
Both of us on the table. There. Okay,
Yeah,
it's on the table.
Okay.
Now,
Now what?
let's see what we have. It's X. We have X. It's 480 volts
X
input.
marks the spot.
It's 90 kVA, 50% duty cycle, 1 gallon per minute water. It wants water cooling. It's a single phase. It was made in September 19th, 2001. And it is a Roman model Tango 48690 SAM Echo 2845 Wilco X-ray. And it's a welding power supply.
Yeah.
Its input is 480 single phase. Its output is 8.8 volts. So that's a really beefy, that'd make a great power supply for like a vacuum tube setup where you need crazy current at low volts. Because this is only 8 volts out, but that's at 90 kVA at 8 volts out. So
That's some
you
serious
know.
You have an idea.
I have a horrible idea. Photonic induction. You ever seen his videos?
No.
He plays with really low voltage but crazy high amperage stuff. I think we're gonna have some fun with this. This is gonna go in a high voltage lab, and we're gonna do some terrifying things with that. But let's get back to this because that's just gonna be fun. And photonic induction is gonna be like squealing when he sees that.
Damn.
What? You're still on that bolt?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, this came with a prize. What the hell?
What is this?
I don't know, but it ain't that long. What? What is that?
Are you a wizard?
What is that?
I don't know.
I think it goes all the way down to the end.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's got to go. Here, take the. It's broken here, but okay, it would go from here.
It seems like it's cut off.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be
that's gotta go.
a sensor or some sort?
It's like a thermocouple or something.
Yeah.
I don't know, but there's no actual thermocouple in the end. I don't know what the hell that is. No, there's nothing in it. It's just cut off. Look close.
Yeah.
It looks like there's something in there, but it's just a tube. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. Remember how I said it was water cooled? Okay. This has 2 labels, in and out. And see how that floats it around in there? All right. That's why it burned up. See how it got really hot here? This broke. That was what failed. That's why they threw it away.
Okay.
The water goes in, down the tube, all the way down here,
and then goes
it
back
comes
by the
back
outside.
around the thing, and then out here, and that's the in and out.
Oh.
See, we figured that out.
So
it's water cooling. Here, we'll show the guys at home. Check that out. You can see it's labeled in and out, and the in goes down the middle of the tube, which is broken here. You can see where it's all burned in that. Okay, and it goes all the way down the main welding arm here, and it goes the in goes out there, so this is spraying water out inside, and then it flows around through here and then out there. And that's the system. So yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Junk now, but cool.
So they threw the whole thing away.
Yeah,
because
that broke,
down.
and they didn't know. They
Oh,
didn't
okay.
know. But it means something else could have failed. Now, do you got that one out yet? It's loose
frame's
though.
in the way.
It's loose enough.
Yeah,
Don't worry
so-
about it. Okay, now we gotta do this one. Give me the lower wrench, and you take the top. And which one's the
This
bottom?
will be way easier with 2 people doing it.
Yeah, because I'm involved, so that just makes it easier.
Yeah.
All right, which way are we going? That's pretty. Look at that.
That's nice.
That's very nice. Let's put it back on there,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll take that bolt all the way out.
Okay.
It's just easier to do it on this thing because it gives us something to hold. Reset. Go.
Go.
Come off.
Oh. You lazy.
I'm not lazy. I'm just smart.
Yeah.
You'd do it if you'd have thought of it. All right, hang on. We can get with our fingers now.
Yeah.
And frame's not in the way. That's a beautiful piece of aluminum there.
Oh, this whole thing is loose now.
Oh, that's the stuff of nightmares right there.
Hey, Chris.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, hang on. I got a gasket here. Pull. Pull! Okay, take it right out. There you go. Oh, man, that's...
Yeah.
No, you need the air.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'll get the air.
God.
All right, you ready? Gratuitous rock star shot.
This is how we keep ourselves entertained.
Yes, yes.
Let's set this down.
Okay, now this I don't know. Still don't
We
know
still
this
don't
thing
know
is.
what those do.
Oh,
do.
I've got it. Then I opened it up. I figured out this is guide.
Just a guide?
This is a guide. Those are a pair of really good linear bearings. That's it. They're just really, really good linear bearings. And we want to take those bolts out before we try and move it. Yeah, those are just linear bearings. So we got to take these bolts out here.
Okay.
Okay.
Those are big.
Big Allen wrenches? Or big Allen socket head cap screws? Oh, wow. Yeah.
Those are big.
Those are big. Wow.
Maybe these?
No, those have to, well, those are going to have to come out too.
But yeah.
All right,
maybe I can
you want
do
me,
those.
you want to start hunting?
Yeah,
Or do you want me to go
hunting.
look? All right, you
Yeah,
go
I'll
look and I'll take these out. They got to be every bit of 1 centimeter. Okay, maybe
Look.
maybe 2 centimeters, but they're really big. All right, so we got those out. Now you found the right one for here.
Yep.
You want to try it? You want to just muscle it?
Why not?
Get in there. Get in there like a boss. Oh, hang on. You got it?
Yeah.
I don't think you do. I don't think you do. You want a cheetah bar?
Give me that.
You want that? Yeah, see, I was just gonna sit there and hold that until you figured it out. Don't put your hand in there, you're gonna hurt your hand. If it slips, it'll bite you.
Oh man.
I don't think you've got the stones. You want me to do that for you? Oh, there you go. Okay.
Thought I was gonna break the wrench for some.
I thought you were gonna break yourself. I got lots of wrenches. We'll get new wrenches. You're not allowed to break yourself. There you go.
Hell yeah.
All right, now it's loose, like a boss. Okay, now put it out like that. and do it again, and you can do longer turns that far out. You gotta line it up. There you go. Now just go all the way around. I don't have to lean on it. Why am I leaning on it? All right, we got that out. Now we'll take the nut off. And now we can take the plate off. We don't need that. Okay, so we've got those four, we got those.
Yes.
At this point, this should come off. We got to take these out, and that should be the clamp assembly. There's a pin here that I'll have to drive out, so I got to go get the punch to drive out that pin. No, that pin can stay, it won't hurt anything, because that's through there. So we just got to take those two off, and that'll undo that, and this whole pin will come right off. But there's nothing holding it together at this point except those two screws. So take out your screws.
Okay.
Take that and try and wiggle it out. Twist it. Keep twisting. Twist it back the other way. There you go. No, twist this way.
Yes, I'm trying.
Okay. There we go.
Oh.
Now set that down. That's the big ram. This was just a guide rod and a linear bearing. Okay. So we got that, and that's the whole unit. Look at that aluminum, man. That's beautiful.
That's a nice block of aluminum.
That's pretty. And a really good bearing. So we've got that. We've got the big hook. We've got those.
And those
This should come out. Oh, hey, check it out. You got a bug. Free bug. All right.
That's why it didn't work anymore. It had a bug.
It had a bug. Pick this up and flip it over, and we can take, there should be 2 bolts on this side, and that block should come out. Oh, there are, but we've got to get down to those 2. Well, no, no, that's not going to work either. We got to take this block off, flip it all the way over. There's a micro switch on the side. Okay. So,
yeah, so
you want to tackle, well, we got to take out these 2, and then these 2, and we should probably take that off because that's a nice switch.
Yeah. Someone could use that.
All right, I'll take the little thing out. You tackle those.
That's way too small. God.
What are you looking for? Those?
Allen wrench. Nice size Allen wrench. Too small. Yeah, way too big. Same. Too small. And it seems they have used yet another size.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that might fit. Nope. What's the point in using 10
Just
different...
to mess with people, I think.
Yeah.
That's a nice switch. I wonder if one of these cables fits it. I don't see any cables
first.
that look. Oh no! Hang on. Oh hey, this cable came off something totally different, but it fits this switch. So that's cool.
Yeah, the blue ones. Oh, still sorry. Didn't say anything.
What?
No.
I wonder if this is, it feels like aluminum. Yeah, it's aluminum. That's way too light to be steel. So there's a nice piece of aluminum. Now we gotta do these.
Let's go back in rams.
Huh?
Let's go back in here or just...
I don't know where'd they come out of. Did
Here.
those go out of there? Well then yeah, put them back in. We gotta take this off though. Because we can't get the rams, or the slides out without taking out those bolts, and we gotta take out these four here.
Yeah.
So we figure out which one
And
fits
they
it.
used...
These nuts
Oh,
also.
oh. That
See,
one
you
fits.
got it, there you go, okay.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta be like that.
Yeah, it's that way.
You want some help with that? Or you're just gonna take off my hand as your system. Now, before you take it all the way out, wiggle it out first, because, well, just do that at that point. A lot of times this will get stuck in there, and you'll take it all the way off, and you can't get off the wrench. Here, go ahead. I'm getting my nuts out of the way there, though, because I can see how that's gonna end. Here, just go on to the next one. I'll take this one off right here. Okay, go right on to the next one. Cool.
Yeah.
It's a good autopsy. We're making a serious mess on the floor.
Yep.
That is steel. That's... Yep, that's steel. All right, now we get these two off. Those are going to be 14s.
We have 2 14s.
16s on that side somewhere. I was using it.
That's 14.
There you go. Okay, pop them on. And then we're left with the nifty orange cage. There's an easier way.
Then what?
If when you start, you use the end where it's bent, back here, it clears that side. I learned that on the top ones. The top ones didn't have the recess, so it might not work 100%, but yeah.
So.
We got lots of little fiber washers.
Yeah.
Which, as typical, we have no idea what we're going to do with them, but we've got them, and they'll have a use somewhere. Somebody will come from across the ocean to want to be here and hang out, and they will need fiber washers, and we will give them to them. With love and sunshine. Okay, grab the top, and this, hang on. See that?
Yeah.
Now, how do we get those out? Because I think that's holding it in there. Yeah, that holds it in there. How do we get those out?
That's a good
All right,
question.
grab both and pick it up. We're gonna roll it up like that. All right, now they're on both sides. They're threaded like something goes into them, and that may be the way to get them out. We would need a bolt, one of these, that fits into there to pull that out, because that's all that's holding it in there at this point.
And those are pins? What? Just...
I gotta think they are. They might be like threaded into the plate, but I don't know.
It's not pressure keeping it in place.
No, it says 4 pins.
Yeah, okay.
I think we're stuck at that point. We're gonna have to leave it on there for now.
Mm.
Somebody will write in and they'll be like, oh, here's how you get those out. I'm pretty sure if we just get a stack of fat washers and we screw something into there, we can pull it out that way, because it's got to be how it works. It's either going to be we pull it out or we put a bolt in there with a couple nuts and lever them down against each other, and then we can undo the whole thing and pull it out. But we're going to have to wait because we don't have any bolts that fit it. None of the bolts that came off it fit in there. This is kind of close. Yeah, it's just too small. But that's it. We did the autopsy. And now we've got new parts for Thumper and some really cool slidey bits here. there's like valving in here. Working back and forth. Now try them together. There's like valves and stuff in there. I don't know. But you can feel it.
Yeah.
It's really weird.
Oh, no, wait. No, these ends here, they connect to a hose.
Yeah.
And when you close them, what? What? That's cool.
That's neat. We're gonna have fun with that. That's really cool. And they had a pair of hoses on them. We should try getting a blowgun. Make a move. Could be cool. I don't know, we're gonna have to play with this. But this is definitely like all thumper parts. This is all gonna be new thumper gap parts. So yeah. So did you have fun? You've been in your first official Geek Group video now. Okay.
Yes.
Well, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right, there you have it, guys. I'm Chris Bowden.
And I'm Oliver Biltink.
And thank you for watching. You guys have fun. I'll see you next time.
This video was made possible by a grant from the Future Girl Foundation.
This video was made possible by thousands of private donations from members and viewers like you. Please visit thegeekgroup.org for more information on how you can donate and become a part of our dreams of Avalon.
What's your last name?
You really want to know?
Yeah.
Biltink.
Buldink?
Biltink.
Bulding.
Biltink.
Buldink.
No, there's no D. It's a T. Biltink.
Bultink.
Yeah.
Oliver Bultink.
Yeah.